G'day guys, we're back on our waterfront property renovation. It is a cracking day here and I'm so jealous of what the owners are going to get to see every day when they're living here. But look, the job is flying along. We've had the guys from Aberhart Roofing working on the roof. They've got to come back next week and finish off a lot of the more detailed work. But one thing that we've done on this project, because it's code, is we've used all the Ultra. So it's all the Colorbond Ultra roofing, claddings, flashings, all that sort of stuff, so that we get the maximum warranty we can being right beside the ocean. And we've currently got our own team wrapping up the outside of the building, so really exciting time. The windows are gone in and they're now coming around the house, putting all the building paper on, getting all the damp course, the flashings, and this is a really critical stage of the job because it's what makes the job watertight, it's what seals the house up, makes it more efficient, but also needs to be done really correctly because it stops any of that water that does get in through your claddings from penetrating and causing damage in the future to your framework.